In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the COUNTIF function. So the COUNTIF function counts the number of cells within a range that meet multiple criteria, or meet one criteria. The COUNTIFs is the multiple criteria. COUNTIF meets a specific condition. Okay, so let's go over here to the explain screen here. So the COUNTIF, a single criterion. So the syntax is going to be COUNTIF. We give the range that we want to look at and analyze, and then we give the criteria. And it's going to count the number of cells in that range that meet that criteria. So it counts the number of cells within the range that meet the criteria. So let's go to our spreadsheet. Let's check out how do we do this. So if we go to H9, we're going to go to our formulas tab. We're going to go to more functions here, and we're going to do statistical, and then we're going to click COUNTIF. So COUNTIF. So in the what's called the range box, this is called the function arguments dialog box. In the range box, we're going to select cells B5 to B16. So we're going to click B5 to B16. And then criteria. What criteria are we looking for it to meet? And it needs to be greater than or equal to 200,000. Click OK. So we have 9 properties that are listed for $200,000 or more. Let's go down to H10. We'll do this again. Number of properties sold for $200,000 or more. So this one's the listed. This one's the sold. So we're going to do recently used, COUNTIF, and our range is going to be C15 to C16. Range box. Select cell C5 to C16. I'm sorry, I said C15 to C16. C5 to C16. So we're analyzing this group. This is our sell price. And our criteria needs to be greater than or equal to 200,000. Click OK. So this one, we had 9 properties that were listed for $200,000. And this one, we have 7 properties that sold for $200,000. And that's a way to use the COUNTIF function. It's pretty simple.